Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you about a online free website who you can scan files and URLs. So before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and don't forget to make sure to turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. So guys, the website name is VirusTotal. As you can see over here, first link. This is the free website who you can scan your computer files or laptop or mobile files, whatever. As you can see, you can choose a file over here. You can scan a URL or search a URL. Like I will paste my URL from YouTube right over here. I will hit enter. Now while detected, as you can see clear, you can also see the histories. You can see this URL right over here, IP and more details right over here. So guys, that's what I want to show you in this video. This video was very small. I just want to show you this website, nothing else. So guys, if you enjoy, leave a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.